Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
Welcome to our first part one of Prosperity Seminar in Cave Creek. I think you're going to have a fantastic time today. Let's start by focusing ourselves and saying the Great Invocation together. If you don't know the Great Invocation, just close your eyes and let us all go through it with each other. Now follow me. Don't go too fast. We are going to say it very slowly and deliberately. Okay? Okay, now put all your cares and worries outside the door. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath. Focus on the great abundance of the universe. And we're going to invoke that great abundance. From the point of light within the mind of God, let light stream forth into the minds of men. Let light descend on earth. From the point of love within the heart of God, let love stream forth into the hearts of men. May Christ return to earth. From the center, where the will of God is known, let purpose guide the little wills of men, the purpose which the masters know and serve. From the center, which we call the race of men, let the plan of love and light work out. And may it seal the door where evil dwells. Let light and love and power restore the plan on earth. Take a deep breath and say Om together. Fantastic. Good morning again. Are you ready?
Yes.
Do you think you deserve prosperity and abundance?
Absolutely.
I'm glad. Everybody really feels that? Good. Well, we're going to wipe out any remnant of doubts by the end of the day. I love this seminar because I'm giving it from my own personal research and experiences. And I will share with you some of my experiences throughout the day-to-day and then part 2 next month. January next month. I don't want to rush that fast. And I want you to know that all of us deserve total abundance and prosperity. All of us. We just have to know that and start from that position of knowing and believing and understanding. That is so important because I found out through my own research and looking at my life that I had a lot of misconceptions. And my misconceptions were holding back the flow of abundance and prosperity that I so deeply yearned for in my life. What we are going to do today And you have a wonderful packet of outline, agenda, information that I will go over with you. What is the purpose of this seminar? First, let me give some brief background information. The purpose of this seminar is to help you find the path of living a life more abundantly. I want to present my findings and share my findings with you so you and everyone that you know will share in this idea of living the life more abundantly. Total prosperity and abundance in very brief terms means to have all the spiritual virtues, all the mental virtues, all the spiritual and emotional virtues, and everything physical that you need and desire to live a decent life. Okay? A decent life. We are multi-leveled individuals, so total prosperity and abundance is on multiple levels. It is not enough to have one kind and not be supported by other things. We want to look at the capacity to have this entire total abundance and prosperity. What do the words prosperity and abundance mean? Prosperity, for example, means condition of having good fortune, being successful, thriving, having economic well-being, financial well-being. That's good. Abundance means to have fullness, overflow. You notice these are subjective words. What does that mean to you? I hope I can find you define that today or start the definition process. It means to have abounding fullness in your life, wealth, great supply, having more than enough, ample quantity. So prosperity, listen to this beautiful, succinct definition that will be the background and the backbone of the seminar. Prosperity is the process of being the cooperator of divine glory and divine riches. Okay, you are the cooperator. It means to have plenty. So what do we want to accomplish today? There are 5 things that I want to accomplish today. The first one is I want to impress on you, without any doubt, that you deserve total prosperity and abundance in every level. I want to impress that on you. The second thing I want to do is impress on you what the 4 pillars of prosperity and abundance are. And these are the pillars of spiritual abundance, mental abundance, emotional abundance, and physical abundance. These are the 4 pillars, and you deserve all of them. Third, I want to impress on you that there are elements right now in your speech habits, in your thought habits, in your action habits, in your decision habits that block you toward the progress of total abundance and prosperity. I want you to see that. Because in my experience, I don't know if the same true for you, I blamed other things and other beings and even karma, not knowing that I was making it all the time. It was me who was blocking it. And I want to impress that on you. And I want to impress that on you not to make you feel bad or guilty, but to impress on you that you have the power to remove it. You can remove it. The fourth thing that I want to impress on you is that striving will yield results. We were promised by Christ and all great ones that when you ask, it will be given. When you knock, the door will be opened. In the teaching it says, strive, 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 and the flow will come. Don't think that you're going to get something for nothing, or if you do just a little bit, you might get a lot. There's no free lunch in life. There's no getting something for nothing. It's about a continuous flow of receiving and giving and being in that divine flow. So I want to impress on you that striving in any way in your life is going to yield results, and you will see that. Just strive. in whatever direction that you find you need to strive. And lastly, fifth, I want to impress on you again, and I repeat this, that you will not get anything for nothing. There is a natural flow in the universe. It's energy of love and light and power and sacrifice that comes from us to us from cosmic sources, and we receive that and we give it. We receive it and we give it. So you have to be able to receive, and you have to be able to give. Is it shocking to you when I say that you deserve to be loved? Sometimes people think, oh, I do. Do you know that you deserve to be loved? You deserve to be prosperous. You deserve to be abundant. You deserve to be healthy. You deserve to be successful. You deserve to have everything that you want and need in life. And we forget that. And especially spiritually minded people succumb to the very erroneous idea that it's karma and there's nothing I can do about it. I succumb to that. Have you ever succumbed to that? No? Who has? Sneak your hand up. Good. I want you to be honest. I used to, here, I'm a woman of the teaching, right? I do this full time. I do it 7 times a week sometimes. Every day, all day. And it dawned on me that if I believed that karma was not changeable, then I might as well pack myself in a grave and get going. Because it means that the laws of nature don't help me to change myself. You see, that is the idea that we have to erase. Karma is not there to stop us, but to make us even better.